How to update Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Welcome back to How To with Sonny. In this video, I'll show you how to update Google Chrome on your Windows PC or laptop in just a few easy steps. Keeping Chrome up to date is important because every update includes the latest security improvements, bug fixes, performance enhancements, and new features to help your browser run smoothly. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side, scroll all the way down and click About Chrome. As soon as you open this page, Chrome will automatically check for updates. If a new version is available, it will begin downloading and installing it right away. Wait a few moments while the update finishes. This usually only takes a minute, depending on your internet connection. Once the update is complete, you'll see a relaunch button. Click it to restart Chrome and apply the latest update. After Chrome reopens, you're all set. Your browser is now running the newest version. Thanks for watching How To with Sonny. If this video helped you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. I'll see you in the next one.